Okay. So good evening everyone. Welcome to Unacademy. Welcome to the initiative that is the digital crash course. In fact, it is not a crash course, it's a flash course. So this is a course which we are going to complete in less amount of time compared to the crash course. So crash course, these 40 घंटे लगेगा complete this content, but this one is the shortest possible. So max to max 20 hours लगेगा right around. So this is the course for basically for electrical engineering students mainly. Okay. So this is the course we are going to start today. Actually, what is the why you set up the and half an hour like that. Wait. Okay.
I don't know the issue here.
Okay, please. People tell me how our voice issue management or because of this voice I said here. Because yesterday class time students like that clarity low numbers quality.
अभी बताओ. Is it okay now? Actually, I changed the three mics. Still, this issue is coming. I don't know why it is happening. Now, fine. Okay, finally it is fine. Okay. I'm sorry for the delay. Actually, because of this audio issue only, मैं तो कुछ settings change करके किया. I thought it is working, but the same issue came back. Okay, let's start. So आज का class today ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा maybe 1 to 1.5 आवर. ठीक. इस कोर्स के बारे में आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो बताओ. आई विल हेल्प यू फर्स्ट. फर्स्टली यू शुड नो द मीनिंग. आई मीन व्हाट यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस कोर्स. सारी चीज बताओ, देन वी कैन गो फर्दर. सो टेल मी व्हाट यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस कोर्स. आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है इस कोर्स से? बताओ। So this course, as I promise you, I am going to complete this course. Mm, This is the course I am going to complete in 15 to 20 hours. Okay, and this is the course. इसके बारे में I have already given you all the FAQs के लिए एक वीडियो बनाया, एक बार आप लोग चेक करके you just check it. So full marks, ठीक है, एक कोर्स तो एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड है. Definitely I'll try to bring you, give all the concepts and make you ready. And I hope for electrical people they score the fullest possible marks with this course. इसके लिए मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, बट आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू दैट इस कोर्स में मैं पूरा डिजिटल का सारे डिटेल्स, एवरी माइन्यूट डिटेल आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग. नहीं, केवल और केवल आपको एग्जाम का ट्रेंड के प्रकार आपका एग्जाम को जो चाहिए ना वो ही डिस्कस करेगा इस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स में. बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट योर टाइम. आई मीन एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इट इज एन एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड कोर्स, सिंपली सेइंग. So let's start. So one of the important question that comes in your mind is when this is course is going to end. So it starts today. टुडे मैं तो प्रॉमिस कर रहा हूँ इर्रेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ योर स्ट्रेंथ. जैसा मैं तो एर्लियर एक इनिशिएटिव ऐसा किया, बहुत सारे लोग तो फर्स्ट क्लास में आया, इसके बाद क्लास पे ज्यादा लोग तो नहीं आए, इसके बाद मैं बंद किया. इस कोर्स को मैं ऐसा नहीं करता हूँ क्योंकि बिकॉज दिस इज द कोर्स आई एम स्टार्टिंग, बिकॉज योर एग्जाम इज वेरी नियर. सो आई डोंट माइंड अबाउट द स्ट्रेंथ. जो लोग रेगुलरली आएगा नहीं आएगा मुझको पता नहीं. Even 2-3 students are very sincere, that is sufficient for me. So for those people I can teach definitely, and that for sincere students it will definitely help. So don't worry about the strength, because YouTube में दिक्कत तो है ना, strength नहीं है तो we stop the initiative. This course is not like that. So Jan 11th to Jan 25th. So this is the deadline I kept in my mind. I want to complete the syllabus. Okay. So because of the Pongal, so Jan 14, 15, 16, you may have the holidays. ओके, बाकी सभी क्लासेस सभी दिन पे मैं क्लास लेके आई विल कंप्लीट द सिलेबस. ओके, सो 12-13 I will update. So tomorrow and the day after tomorrow you have a class or not, I will be updating that tomorrow. Okay, but definitely 14, 15, 16 तो छुट्टी है भाई. So 17 to 25th I will definitely finish the syllabus. 100% I will finish the syllabus. So daily timings तो ये रखेगा 8:30 to 10:30, नहीं है तो 9 to 11. I will tell you that timings के बारे में थोड़ा सा एक दो बार सोच के I will update you. I will give you the clear idea regarding the timings. These are the timings we are planning for this course. ठीक है? So these are the things you should know. Okay. Yeah, definitely. So let's start. In today's class, it is just a basic orientation towards the digital. Basics of digital. We will discuss this. What I am going to discuss today, I will tell you. Before that, see here. अभी तो अनअकैडमी पे ऑफर चल रहा है. आप लोग 23, 24 सॉरी 24, 25 के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना चाहिए तो यू कैन यूज माय कोड एंड टेक द सब्सक्रिप्शन. आपको अभी अप टू 30% यू कैन सेव ऑन द सब्सक्रिप्शन. Okay, so these are our rankers this year from ESE examination, and this is the new batch going to start, and I'm going to start signals and system digital is going to start by BV Reddy sir, and this timing change हो गया है 7 AM. ठीक है, this is for 23, 24, 25 sorry 24, 25 aspirants के लिए ये बैच तो शुरू हो रहा है. एंड इस बैच के यूज पीसों में ऑलरेडी बताया आपको सभी पीएसयू का सिलेबस गेट के लिए और व्हाट वी कॉल ईएससी के लिए सभी एग्जाम के लिए इट विल बी कवर्ड एंड मोर नंबर ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स विल बी सॉल्व्ड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ठीक है, सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग द डिजिटल. ओके, सो डिजिटल का जनरल सिलेबस तो ये है, आप लोग छोड़ सकते हैं इसमें. Actually, it is the same PPT what we discussed yesterday in the keynotes. But see, छोड़ दो. In this course, in this course, okay, we don't discuss this. Okay, we don't discuss this. Only this part. बट दिक्कत तो ये है, ये आपका सिलेबस पे है ही भाई, ठीक है. बट दिक्कत तो ये है, इस सिलेबस समझ होने के लिए ये बेसिक्स तो चाहिए. बट नॉर्मली ये बेसिक्स के लिए, नॉर्मली इफ यू वांट टू लर्न इन द फुल फ्लेज्ड वे, आपको 20 घंटा लगेगा. We don't want to spend that much time. So what I will do is today in 1 to 1.5 hours, I will cover what we call this particular part in a what we call easiest way. I will be giving you the basics you require. You need not solve any questions in this. The basics you require to understand this part. Combinational sequential जो data converters part है ना digital पे, ये समझ होने के लिए आपको जो चाहिए that will be discussed today. I'm repeating, this class will be in English and also Hindi. मैं mostly English use करेगा. I will be using English only so that other students will also be able to understand. But language तो problem ही नहीं है. I will repeat in Hindi and English also. So there will not be any difficult for any student. Okay. Right, definitely Anusha, don't worry. We will discuss in English. Mohan, I already told you display will be clear. Go to your video settings. YouTube को settings में जाओ. Please go to settings and increase the video quality to 1080. Okay, 1040 or 80 something. Improve your video quality, then automatically it will be done. Chalo, let's start. Yeah. Okay. So basically, just a moment. Okay. ये डिजिटल सर्क्यूट्स का सब्जेक्ट क्या है भाई? पहले लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ द डिजिटल सर्क्यूट्स. ओके, so what is the meaning of the digital circuit? Okay, in a digital circuit your input is in the form of digit. Okay, digit में क्या होता है सर? It might be either you can say like 0 or 1, and also output will be in the form of 0 and 1. So first basic rough understanding of the digital signal or a digital systems I will explain. In day-to-day life, we are using the digital system because of the advantage with respect to its compact size or whatever accuracy, many advantages. In your everyday life, whatever you get in the nature is analog format. We convert into its equivalent digital format. We use some digital system to process this data, and once you get the output, again we take one digital to analog converter to display the result. Simple example you take you have AC, एयर कंडीशन तो है ना, इसमें टेम्परेचर तो डिस्प्ले करते हैं, ठीक है. पहले मे बी इट हैव सम सेंसर. ये सेंसर से इनपुट लेके यू हैव इंटरनली वन डिजिटल सिस्टम. ये सेंसर के इनपुट जो मिलते हैं ना, इसको इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू इट्स इक्विवेलेंट डिजिटल फॉर्मेट. इट विल डू द नेसेसरी प्रोसेसिंग and it will give you the output. Output it will provide generally is in the digital format. Suppose 24 degrees is there. In the binding, 24 degrees is equal to some what is that? 24 ka matlab 111000, which is a big number. I mean, which is many people don't understand. Say you have 24 degrees. If I display this as 111000 in the binary, many people don't understand this. इसलिए because so what we need to do is we should convert back this into 24 and show to the end user. So generally what they will do is after the system is converted your system into analog into digital, then they, I mean there will be one uh, circuit which can do this job, that after the processing digital value will be converted into analog and given to your display. So basically for the digital, so this part we will discuss how to convert analog to digital or digital to analog in one particular chapter, that is data converters. So I told you three chapters are there, right? इसमें ये वाला चैप्टर में we will be discussing this concept, how analog signal will be converted into digital or digital signal will be converted into analog. So now एक डिजिटल सिस्टम बिल्ड करने के लिए कोई भी काम करने वाला डिजिटल सिस्टम आप बिल्डअप करना चाहिए. You want to make a digital circuit which can do one particular job, that can be done with these circuits, combinational, sequential. But to analyze these circuits or to what we call minimize, to design, to do anything for these circuits, you need the basics that you will get in these two chapters. ये दोनों चैप्टर आपके इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग सिलेबस पे नहीं है भाई, इसलिए so we are not discussing much because this is the course of what we call exam oriented. Regular course में you should learn them definitely. So exam oriented में इसलिए ये समझ होने के लिए जो बेसिक्स चाहिए ना, that we are going to discuss today. So to build up a digital system, what you need is a combinational or sequential circuits. इसके अंदर I mean to design it, to analyze it, you need the basics of the number systems and boolean. Those things we are going to discuss. So for a digital system, input is in the form of 0 1, output be form in the 0 1. Okay, right. Let's start. Okay, thank you. Let's start. First, because in entire digital system, we use the on-off logic. On-off means your input is given or input is not given is represented with two different voltages. So the best number system which is useful to understand the digital system or to analyze, to design the digital system is the binary number system. In binary number system, for डिजिटल सर्क्यूट एनालिसिस, डिजिटल सर्क्यूट्स के लिए बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम पे कम से कम आप लोगों के लिए you should know at least first 16 numbers आपका माइंड पे, you should keep it like anything. So binary numbers में keep this as the weight of the number. Okay, binary number of first 10 numbers I am giving you because you should remember them. I will be using in problems everywhere. 0 is represented with 0 0 0 0. Okay, this looks very silly because it is a basic part. I should explain because the person who don't know anything should also able to understand the class. So how to represent 1 in the binary means use these numbers. How to represent 2? How to represent 3? 3 is an add of 2 and 1. 4. अब 5 को कैसे represent करेगा? 4 plus 1. Okay, 6 is 4 plus 2. 7 is represented like this. 8 का मतलब 9. ठीक है? Because it is a crash course, I am directly giving you the values. As a regular number systems में we discuss the logic behind this for converting any number system to any number system. ये सभी चीज discuss करते हैं, अभी तो नहीं चाहिए इस पे. Next, 10, at least first 15 numbers you should know. Okay. 10 का मतलब क्या सर? 1 0 1 0. Why sir? Because 8 plus 2 is 10. 11 का 1 0 1 1. 12 का मतलब क्या? 1 1 0 0. 13 का मतलब क्या? 1 1 0 1. 14 का मतलब 1 1 0. 15 का मतलब all ones. ठीक है? Is it fine? Clear for everybody here? Okay, so this is how you represent the first 16 numbers with the binary. You have n bits. Here, how many bits? You have 4 bits. What is the range with 4 bits? 0 to 15. Only you can represent these numbers with 4 bits. You have 4 bits, we represent the values from 0 to 15. Okay. So how to write 0 to 15, sir? 0 to 2 to the power of 4 minus 1. आपके पास n bit है तो you can represent the numbers from 0 to 2 power n minus 1. आपके पास 3 बिट है तो 0 to 2 to the power of 3, 8 minus 1, 0 to 7. If you have 5 bits, what is the range? Please comment. 5 बिट्स है तो रेंज क्या? 5 बिट्स में आपका रेंज कितना होता है सर? व्हाट इज द रेंज विथ 5 बिट्स? यस, 0 to 2 to the power of 5 minus 1, that is 0 to 31. Okay, that is about your basic number system, very basic of the number system. We are not discussing the meaning of the complement, two's complement. ये सभी चीज ना I don't discuss now. Whenever we use the concept, जैसा combinational circuit comes into picture, at the time we are using addition subtraction. उस समय पे whenever we require it, there at that point directly I will explain the concept. So because there is no end for the basics if you want to learn in a proper way. Was a few conditions, few concepts we discuss automatically with the help of problems little later. So let's move further. Okay, okay, yes. Now listen. Let's take one problem. Let's solve one problem with the available information with us. आप हमारा पास जो information है ना इसको use करके let's solve a problem. So before that, इतना तो many people will be having some idea, I feel that, but let me give you some basic logic gates. Okay, so if you have AB, it can be 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Very please listen here, one important gate you have is OR. OR का मतलब क्या? Symbol of OR is plus, it is not addition. R का मतलब क्या सर? Both are zeros, then only zero. When both are zeros, then only zero. बाकी cases में one. Similarly, there is another operation called AND. What is the meaning of AND operation, sir? Both are ones, then only one. Otherwise, it is zero. ठीक है? Then you have one more basic operation called NOT. Not में if you give 0, what is the inverse of not is 1. 1 का inversion is 0. The symbol for this, इतना basic से discuss कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? This one. And what is the symbol here? This one. Right. These are the basic gates. There are other gates called NAND, where it is complement of this one. What is the complement of this? I will tell you. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So what is the complement of this one? Means 0 should be 1 and 1 should be replaced with 0. This is called NAND gate. And another operation, NOR. As though I don't discuss, maybe I not discuss the problems. NOR is the complement of OR operation. OR का complement क्या? First bit में 1, बाकी तो 0. ठीक है sir. Any other gates are available, sir? There are 2 more, sir. XOR. AX or B is a 0, 1, 1, 0. When odd number of ones are present at the input, output may 1. Or when both the inputs are different, 1, otherwise it is 0. There is, it's the complement. When both are same, you get 1, otherwise 0. Okay, these are the basic operations available, and these are called universal gates, and these are some special function gates. Okay, fine, leave it. So this is the basic of the what we call digital circuits. Few relations are you should understand. Then we will move for the problem directly. If you have A, you add another A. What is the answer? A plus A. Okay, you people, if you guess, you can give the answer. Otherwise, you just assume and tell me the answer. If you don't know, no problem. I will explain it. Even if you don't know this basic, also no, not an issue. Yes, yes, yes. Please comment. What is A plus A? A plus A क्या? See here, A is 0. Or now onwards, you keep it in your mind. Any variable in the digital circuits can take only two values, either 0 or 1 only. Value can be assumed as either 0 or 1. And what is the Boolean में plus का मतलब addition नहीं or operation. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 1, A plus A is A. Similarly, A plus A bar, 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0 always 1. A into A. 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, A. What is A into A bar? 0 into 1 और A is 1 है तो 1 into 0 दोनों केसेस में आपको 0 ही मिलेगा. Next, A plus 1, A plus 0, A into 1, A into 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is also 1 or operation. So 1 plus anything is 1. 0 plus A, A. 1 into A, A. A into 0, 0. Next, if you complement 0, you get 1. If you complement 1 again, you get 0. So A double complement is A. Few important rules. AB whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. We call it as a De Morgan's law. Similarly, A plus B whole bar equal to A bar into B bar. That means if you have an AND gate, it is equivalent to inverted OR gate. That is the meaning of this one. Similarly, if you have an NOR gate, that is equal to inverted A bar into B bar. That's all. So these basics आपको पता होना चाहिए while solving the problems, and few more conditions. If you have x plus y into x plus z, in the Boolean, just multiply x into x, x, x into z, x, z, y into x, yx, y into z, yz. In only Boolean algebra, if you take x common here, 1 plus z plus y plus yz. 1 plus anything is what? 1 plus anything is 1. So you can say x plus yz. So what is x plus y into x plus z? It is x plus yz. Now, listen here. If you have a plus a bar b, this can be written as a plus a bar into a plus b from the rule which we have discussed in the above. X plus y into x plus z is x plus yz. A plus b into a plus a bar b is a plus a bar into a plus b. So a plus a bar is 1. So what is the answer you get is 1 minute. A plus 1. Right. These basics you should know it. Then we can proceed further. Right. So let's move. So let's take one problem for our understanding. Just take a problem. Manshu अभी तो नहीं है, but it's in the planning stage. Right now it is not there. Just a minute. Okay. So let's now design a system. Design a system. Let's now design a system which can do this job. Okay. Do a particular job. So let me take one simple problem and let us see how to make this system, how to implement this particular problem or how to solve this problem using the digital circuit. So, इसके लिए let me take one random question. Okay. Design a system. Okay. To find prime number to find given number is prime number or not in the 3-bit input. Okay, your input contains 3 bits. Your output should tell whether the given input is a prime number or not. So with the 3 bits, what is the range I have explained you just now? What is the range of the 3 bits? 3 bits है तो आप ले सकते ये BC. 3 bits है ना, input से ABC ले लो and this is your output. Okay, now listen carefully. So ABC can be 0, 0, 0. First, you should write all possible combinations of the 3 bits. 3 bits में how many combinations are possible is 2 power 3 combinations. So all zeros to all ones. These are the first 8 numbers 0 to 7. Got my point? Is it clear? Yes or no? Now listen here. What is the output you should give? So what are the prime numbers in the first 0 to 7? What are the prime numbers? आप बताओ कमेंट करो यार प्राइम नंबर्स क्या फर्स्ट फर्स्ट 7 नंबर्स फर्स्ट 0 to 7 पे प्राइम नंबर्स क्या व्हाट आर द प्राइम नंबर्स टेल मी व्हाट आर द फर्स्ट प्राइम नंबर्स टेल मी कमेंट what are the prime numbers 2 3 5 7 so मेरा सिस्टम आउटपुट में 1 देना चाहिए कब देना चाहिए सर मेरा इनपुट में 2 3 5 7 कोई भी इनपुट आएंगे तो मेरा आउटपुट शुड बी 1 please understand what is the intention of this problem is I want to make you introduce the digital system and I want to make you comfortable with the digital system. I want to teach you K-map. I want to teach you Boolean algebra, logic gates. All will be done with the help of a single problem. So listen carefully. So tell me, yaar, what is the output you will be getting? It is you should give output में 1 for 2. 2 means 0 1 0. 3 5 7. 2 3 5 7 में you should give output equal to 1. And बाकी cases में very good. And बाकी cases में आपका output क्या होना चाहिए 0. So मेरा को ये सिस्टम चाहिए सर इसको बोलते हैं ट्रूथ टेबल and here your truth table is given by sum of the min terms. What are the min terms sir? That is output is 1 ना इसको represent करेगा output is 1 for what are the cases? It is 1 when input is 2, when input is 3, input is 5 and input is 7. इसको हम represent कर सकते हैं sum of the min terms 2 3 5 7 is the representation or the equation to do this job is given by what is the equation to represent this is 2 means 0, 1, 0, na, it is represented with A bar, B, C bar. What is the meaning of A bar, B, C bar, sir? When A is 0, B is 1, C is 0, this product term will give you output equal to 1. Or what is the input should happen? 3. 3 means 0, 1, 1. 5, 1, 0, 1. 7. When the input contains any one of these combinations, your output is equal to 1. This is what you need to do. So I hope it is clear, guys, how to make this function. Now, let's see how to make this function. A bar, B, C bar. What is this? Bubble is representing inverter. Again, A bar, B, C. Next, A, B bar, C. Then A, B, C. ठीक है? Now add them. एडिशन के लिए और गेट लेना बस. This is how you can make a system which can do your job. But here, after doing this, we should understand that, sir, can I do this job with less number of gates compared to this? Yes, we can do it, sir. Then how to know, how can I, what we call, implement this circuit with less number of gates? For that, what I need to do is minimization. After getting the expression, if you directly implement, you may require more hardware and your system size will increase. इसको कम करने के लिए हम क्या करना चाहिए सर? आपका एक्सप्रेशन जो मिलते हैं ना, इसको हम मिनिमाइज करना चाहिए. आफ्टर getting the expression, if you directly implement, what happens is the size of the what we call the hardware size will increase. To avoid this, what we need to do is we should minimize the system and implement it. So to minimize the system, what we need to do is, there are two methods to do this: Boolean algebra, or you should use that rule, or K-map. So मैं तो Boolean algebra discuss ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ, because most of the cases you don't need that in your examination. अगर K-map सही से पता है तो that is sufficient to minimize the expression. So anyway, it is not in your syllabus also. So let's go with K-map. Okay, chalo. So how to use the K-map to minimize this expression? Let's see. So let's minimize by using K-map. Is it okay? Right? K-map use करके इसको minimize करना चाहिए. एक डब्बा ले लो यार. K-map में it is a 3 variable, so we should take a K-map which contains 8 boxes. Right? So here you take the variable A, here you take the variable BC. Always here write 0, 0, 0, 1. Don't take 1, 0. First 1, 1, next 1, 0. We call it as a gray code. इसका reason etc. अभी तो छोड़ दो, because ये तो crash course है. So remember, it should be in the order of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And here A is 0, B is 1. So what are its values? What is the value of this box? Is 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 1 means 3. 0, 1, 0 means 2. 1, 0, 0 is 4. 1, 0, 1 का value 5. 1, 1, 1 का value 7, 6. इस डब्बा में each box is representing these numbers. Now, according to examiner, what is the output for 2, 3, 5, 7? And my output is equal to 1. My output is 1 for 2, 3, 5, 7. Now listen here. You can make, see here, in the K-map, one by one. Once we do the problem, you get the experience. Na? You get the experience, you will understand better. Now see here. In K-map, if you have two or four adjacent cells, we should make it as a single group and write the expression together. So you both of them together now. So all cells are covered sufficient. Don't take redundantly extra. Your intention is all minterms are covered or not. जो minterms है ना your function में 2 3 5 7 they must be covered with these boxes. Yes, दो box में हो गया ना, ये box तो नहीं चाहिए. Okay, so don't take this particular box. Only this and this is sufficient. Now tell me, what is the expression for this? What is the expression for this? How to write it is when A is 0, it represents A bar. When A is 1, it represents A. Here, this will represent B bar, C bar, B bar, C, BC, BC bar. Originally, what is the expression for this is A bar into BC, A bar into BC bar. If you take A bar B common, you get C plus C bar. I already told you A plus A bar, X plus X bar, Y plus Y bar, C plus C bar is nothing but 1. So that can be eliminated. Now easily how to write it is, in the row, these two cells में commonly 0 is available. So it is A bar. ये दोनों पे क्या कॉमन है भाई? 11 और 10 में क्या कॉमन है? कमेंट करो. 11 और 10 में क्या कॉमन है सर? 1 कॉमन है सर. 1 कहाँ पे है सर? B का जगह पे है सर. So you should write B. I'm repeating. In these two cells, A is 0, so A bar. Here in 11 and 10, what is common in both of them? 1 is common in both of them. That is nothing but B plus here you have to. Here you have to. This is A. This is A into what is common in both of them. What is common in both of them? This is C is common. Right, sir. How to implement this, sir? अरे भाई एक इन्वर्टर ले लो, ये बार दी हो गया, एक ले लो. अरे भाई ठीक है, हो गया. Now with less number of gates compared to this, both will do the same job. आप लोग चेक करना चाहिए तो इनपुट में 0 0 0 0 1 0 जैसा कुछ इनपुट अप्लाई करके चेक करो, चाहिए तो मैं कर सकते हैं आपके लिए. सो मैंने इनपुट में ABC इक्वल टू फॉर एग्जांपल ABC इक्वल टू 0 1 0 2 2 में आपका एक्सपेक्टेड आउटपुट क्या? 2 पे एक्सपेक्टेड आउटपुट क्या? एक्सपेक्टेड आउटपुट तो 1 है ना. सो यू आर गेटिंग दैट और नॉट? So ABC is 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. ठीक है. If any input is 0 and gate becomes 0. Any input is 0 and gate becomes 0. Any input is 0 and gate becomes 0. But here 0 is inverted, will 1 1 0 inverted is 1 1. So you get 1. What about here, sir? ABC is 0 1 0. A is 0, B is 1, A 0, C 0. So 0 bar will give you 1, 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 0, 0. Same answer aa raha hai. Now, check it for, yeah, ABC equal to 4. Here what is the expected output? 0 because it is not a prime number. So check करो भाई 100 apply किया तो क्या होता है? 100 में it is 0. Okay, it is 0. Any input is 0 and get output तो 0 हो जाएगा. So सारे 0 से ना you get 0 here. Here also you check 100. 1 into 0 0. 1 bar is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 0. Yes, it is serving your purpose or not. दोनों केस में आपका आउटपुट तो सेम आ रहा है, बट इसमें इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स बहुत मोर नंबर ऑफ गेट्स एंड मोर नंबर ऑफ इनपुट्स, ये सर्किट तो कॉम्प्लेक्स है, इसको इतना आसान कर सकते हैं, इसको बोलते हैं मिनिमाइजेशन. आई कैन डू मिनिमाइजेशन and I can implement the complex circuit with the simple circuit. This is the advantage of minimization. So आपका मोबाइल फोन इतना साइज हो जाएगा, स्क्रीन नहीं, मोबाइल का साइज, ठीक है, बिना स्क्रीन. ओके, so when you don't do any minimization and implement the circuit. So that is the advantage of the minimization. And this is what we call SOP, sum of product terms. So expression of this is SOP. So this is how we take a problem and solve it by using the digital circuits. If you are a EC student, you will be understanding is gate के अंदर क्या होता है sir, how and what is this gate sir? This is the circuit which perform the operation of end operation of the input. How it is performing sir? Internally you will be having the transistors which can do the job that generally we discuss in the logic families but not for the electrical engineering students. ठीक है? So here you just understand ये डब्बा जो है ना ये end operate करके output में देती है. ठीक है? के मैप के लिए और दो तीन एग्जांपल्स किया तो you get more clarity. We will do that. So now you understand the basic of the digital circuit. क्या क्या समझ हो गया डिजिटल का मतलब क्या डिजिटल में इनपुट कैसा होता है एंड हाउ टू डिजाइन ए सिस्टम यूजिंग द डिजिटल सर्किट राइट सर I have taken ones in the output when I will get one and I have represented the system. There is another way to do this job that is by taking zeros in the system and represent it. You can do this job by taking zeros in the system also. So when you are getting zero for the same problem, f equal to, it is the zero for when the input is 0, when the input is 1, when the input is 4 and input is 6. When any one of this case occurs, output is 0. Any one of them 0, output 0 means end operation. We represent this with a product of sums bolte pi of max terms 0 1 4 6. Max term का मतलब min term का मतलब क्या min term represent 1, max term should represent is representing 0. So when a b c are 0, output should be 0. How to write that expression is a plus b plus c. When all of them are 0, this will give you 0. Then 0 0 1 का how to write it expression a plus b plus c bar. It is just उल्टा है. मिड टर्म पे क्या होता है सर 1 है तो बार 0 है तो सॉरी 1 है तो डायरेक्ट 0 है तो बार बट मैक्स टर्म पे इफ 0 का मतलब क्या 0 का मतलब 0 0 0 we represent with a plus b plus c. This is representing when input is 0 0 1 this expression will give you 0. 4 1 0 0 6 1 1 0. So if you solve this also, you get again this function only. Okay, this is another way, but we don't use this much in our exam point of view problems and all. You should understand this better. It is sufficient. Nahi hai to you can do in this way also. Same problem can be done by multiple number of ways here. Here and ठीक है चलो so अभी तक सभी clear is everything clear up to this we just take one basic problem as an example and discuss the things so we'll proceed further. Method lectures maximum 10 and the date of completion of the syllabus is 25th. So let's do 2-3 problems on K-map and we can end the session. Okay, these basics are sufficient to solve any problem. Most of the problems solve करने के लिए ये basics तो sufficient है आप लोगों के लिए. I think this is the basic orientation session. Okay, we do 2-3 basic problems on K-map to get you, I mean, to give you more clarity on K-map. Then we can end the session. Then tomorrow onwards, we start the real problems. I mean, real discussion on the combinational circuits or your real digital circuits will start from tomorrow. So let's do a few more questions. Few more conditions I want to explain. Suppose you have a function f of ABC equal to a bar BC. Example. Okay. Here, uh, what is the dual of the function? Dual of function is replacing AND operation with the OR operation. OR operation with AND operation. 1 with 0, 0 with 1. So what is the dual of this operation, this function? ये डॉट जो है ना इसको प्लस से रिप्लेस करो. प्लस तो डॉट करो. ठीक है. This is called dual. How to find complement of a function? Is dual and input complement. So take this. What is the complement of the entire function of ABC? A पूरा function का complement, how to find it is take the dual a bar plus b plus c, a plus b plus c bar, a plus b bar plus c bar. Okay, take individually complements. That is equal to this whole bar. Okay, this is equal to a bar bc plus got it. So what is the double bar of a? So now you simple say if you have bar here, you don't have bar here. If you don't have bar here, you will get bar here. Now let's take another example. F2 of ABC equal to ABC, A bar, B bar, C. Just randomly take it. ABC. What is the complement of this? Take dual and individual bars. Take dual. Here bar है तो no bar, no bar है तो bar. हो गया. बस ठीक है. Is it clear? चलो. Right. So let's do one question on KMAP again, so that you get more confidence. Minimize the function f of ABC equal to sum of the mean terms 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's solve this question. ठीक है, sum of the mean terms 3, 1, 0, 1 is 5, 1, 1 171106. Okay, so let's do the grouping here. You can make these two cells. Okay, you can make these two cells into one group. Similarly, you can make these two cells as one group. You can overlap provided at least one new cell is present. You can take one upon each other, no problem. Okay, so these are the three groups. What is the output function here? F is given by first A wala को बताओ. Here what is common? A is equal to 1. In these two, what is common in both of them is 1, that is at the location of C. Next, here, what is this? A. In these two, what is common here? B. In this one, is there anything common in 0 and 1? No. So what is this? BC. Sir, what is this common concept, sir? Nothing actually. It is BC into A bar plus A. But A bar plus A will become 1. We don't write it in the expression. This is the minimized expression for this function. Okay. So for this, A into what is common? C. For this, A into B. For this, BC. Okay. Chalo. Next. Let's take one more question and we can end the class after that. 4 variable function. So minimize f of a, b, c, d. Okay, let's do this. Here D means don't care. Okay, and how many variables are there? 4 variables. Now we are drawing 4 variable schema. Most of the cases in electrical engineering, काम तो हो जाएगा 3 variables. अरे भाई नहीं, ये कहाँ गए? Yeah, the box का value is you 8421 code apply करके check करो A B C D 0 1. You always take it in the form of 1 1 1 0 only in the K map. 2 plus 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 8 9 1 0 double 1 means 8 4 2 1 8 plus 2 plus 1 11 10. So sum of the min terms 0 1 6 7. Sum of the min terms 0 1 6 7. Don't cares of 8 9 10. ये डोंट केयर क्या है सर, इसका मतलब क्या है मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ, थोड़ा सा वेट करो. Don't cares are the conditions. These means here these are ones in the output, बाकी तो zeros in the output. These your wish. You can take it as 0 or 1, don't, no problem, इसको बोलते हैं don't care. So listen here. Here, if you take for box size ज्यादा हुआ तो expression size कम होता है, it is advantage. If the size of the box is more, expression size is less, it is advantageous for us. So here, there are only two adjacent cells, you can make a box. Here, these two cells and these two cells, you can make a box together. You can take top and bottom, side and side also as a box. And these two cells are considered. These two cells are of no use, leave it. So don't care का मतलब ये है, if they are helpful, we take, otherwise we leave. Now, what is the common in both of them? 0 is common, it is B bar. What is common in both of them? 0 is common, sir, C bar. Or here, 0, 1, that is A bar B. What is common in both of them? 1, sir, means C. That is the expression. See, if box size is 4, your expression size is less. So box size ज़्यादा है तो expression का size कम होता है. So this is the basics you should know about your क्या बोलते हैं digital circuits before going to what we call the original course of the digital circuits. बाकी बहुत सारे basics है भाई. There is no limit. ये सारे basics whenever it is a discussion in the discussion of a particular topic, when you require a particular basic, I will help you. Say you require 2's complement in the subtraction, there I will explain that. You require some other XOR gate, XNOR gate, three variable XOR function, NAND operation, different concepts you may need it while understanding different concepts. At that particular time I will help for those, but this necessary basic तो मैं आज दिया आपको. This is the basic orientation course for your or basic foundation course, foundation concept class for the digital circuits of the electrical engineering. Because ये तो syllabus में नहीं है, syllabus में combination से शुरू है ना, but इसका foundation तो आज discuss किया. So tomorrow we start with the combinational circuits. Is it okay? I hope you people enjoyed the class. Yes or no? So कल से रेडी होना चाहिए आप लोग. So मैं प्रॉमिस कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों के लिए, जैसा earlier also I have made a promise for the network analysis. I have what we call, I have obeyed my promise and I have completed the syllabus on time. The same thing happens for this also. So I am expecting, I am mostly 25th तक मैं syllabus खत्म करने के लिए try कर रहा हूँ 99%. Until unless some condition occurs, मे भी एक दो दिन आगे पीछे हो सकते, बट नहीं, मैक्सिमम आपको 25th तक खत्म करने के लिए ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. बिकॉज आपको एग्जाम इज देयर ना, सो इसके पहले ही खत्म करना चाहिए मैंने. सो 25th तक daily classes का timings may be 8:30 to 10:30 in the evening or 9 to 11, whatever may be, but lowest possible time पे with less theory, more problems, we are going to complete this course. But please understand guys, जनरली मैं डिजिटल में बहुत सारे डेप्थ आई विल बी गिविंग यू व्हिच डोंट गेट एनीवेयर एल्स. इतना डेप्थ तो मैं देता हूँ इसी बच्चे के लिए. सो फुल फ्लेज्ड कॉन्सेप्ट्स समझ होने के लिए, सब्जेक्ट डेवलप करने के लिए, दिस इज नॉट द कोर्स. मेरा ऑलरेडी अदर कोर्सेज अवेलेबल इन द यूट्यूब with the name of crash course. There I covered in the best possible way. But नहीं सर एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड चाहिए तो this is the course for you. So इसमें I know some concepts which I don't discuss, but still which are not required for the examination. ठीक है, अभी आज हम डिस्कस किया ना, रेगुलर क्लास में इसके लिए 10 घंटे मिनिमम लगेगा. We discuss every single basic, why, what, everything. Okay, here we directly discuss the concept. Okay, chalo, this is what I want to give you for you people. So I understood your problem of, because while taking some session, I think question series, I understood you are facing some difficulty with the digital circuits. After thinking of that, I started this course, right? So please don't disappoint me. Please attend regularly and show your sincerity. I can guide you, I can help you further in the best possible way. You can also join my Telegram channel as early as possible. All material, all my class links, every timings, update, everything you get here. This is my Telegram channel. Okay. And this is my code also for getting the discount on Unacademy subscription for 24-25 aspirants. Okay. So that's all for today, guys. Yeah, daily classes will be at night time. Language तो mixed है, it will not be a problem for anybody. मैं तो हिंदी पे भी एक्सप्लेन करेगा और आई विल बी रिपीटिंग इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो सो दैट नो स्टूडेंट विल फेस एनी डिफिकल्टी. Okay, so these are the batches going on right now in Unacademy, and if you are aiming for IRMS also,
We have a batch. Yes, we take them out. Enroll first. Because it contains chance to text. Enroll that. Thank you.